In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Shein coupon. Start by opening the Shein app on your phone or visiting the website in your browser. Make sure your internet connection is steady and your app is up to date so everything loads smoothly and the checkout page shows the latest features and promotions. Next, browse and add the items you want to your cart. Use the search bar or categories to find exactly what you need and check the size guide, color, and quantity before adding. If you're planning to use a specific coupon, glance at its terms in advance. Some codes exclude certain items or require a minimum spend. When you're ready, tap Cart to review your selections. This is your chance to double-check sizes, colors, and quantities and to remove anything you don't want. Make sure your subtotal meets any minimum required by your coupon. It's easier to make changes here than later. Now tap Checkout. You'll see your order summary page. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to confirm details like shipping method and address during this flow. Don't worry, your coupon will be added right on this page before you finalize the order. Look for the field labeled coupon code or promo code. On mobile, it usually appears near the order total. On desktop, it's often on the right side of the screen within the order summary box. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit. It's always on the checkout screen. Enter your coupon code carefully. Type it exactly as provided and avoid extra spaces at the beginning or end. Keep in mind, many codes have expiration dates, region limits, or product exclusions. If your code requires a minimum order amount, confirm your cart meets that threshold before applying. Tap Apply. The system will validate the code. If there is an issue, you'll see a message. Double-check spelling and terms and try again. If it's accepted, you'll see the savings reflected right away. Your discount will appear automatically in the order summary. You should see the coupon line and a new total. Note that shipping and taxes may be calculated separately, and typically only one promo code can be used per order. Compare your savings to make sure you're getting the best value. Finally, complete your payment. Choose your preferred payment method, verify the discounted total one last time, and place the order. Once submitted, coupons generally can't be added or changed, so confirm everything looks right before you pay. That's it, you've successfully redeemed a Shein coupon.